What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all still doing good. Hope y'all blessed. Hope y'all still praying, man. And thank you for watching another video once again. So today, okay, first off, don't mind the check engine light. Second, I need gas. So we're gonna be on our way to the gas station. I'm gonna go ahead and go to Sonic. They got 99-cent corn dogs. About to give me some. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna give me a car wash because my car is dirty. I know, did you hear me? 12 miles left. Yeah, we gotta hurry up and get to this gas station though. Anybody coming? Nope. Let's go. Damn, I'm spinning. Damn. Straight spinning. Too cold out here. My tires ain't warm yet. My car is though. Dang. But yeah, man, I thought I'd just bring y'all along for the ride real quick. You know what I'm saying? Why not just shoot a video out? Y'all like POVs? I like POV drives when people be driving. I don't got the attachment where I could just wear the little attachment and then put the phone on it so I can use both. You know what I'm saying? But I wanted to do it anyway, man. Look at these people. Don't they know I need gas? Don't they know I got gas to get? Can y'all move out the way? Move out the way. Why is there so much traffic? What time is it? 2 o'clock. It's 2:03. Man, I gotta clean my car, but I think I'm gonna wait till after winter to get a detail on the inside because I really need it. Ain't gonna show it, but I need it. That's a decent little Kia K5 over there. Focus, there you go. A decent K5. The light's green and nobody's moving. Come on now. Brother. I don't know, you never know. Maybe we'll run into something today. Run into some nice car. Very nice car. Very nice car. 307, you know I ain't paying that price. I ain't a scatter or a cat, but it do be more expensive than what these niggas bring. You know, I'm gonna go over here. So I can turn around easily. Okie dokie. Put that in park. Turn you off. Let's see. What's it hitting for today? 367. Not bad. Let's go ahead and fill it up. Am I the only one that be doing this? And ain't gonna be driving too much. Let's go. Ooh, it's cool. Turn on. Bro, I kid you not. $30 only got me 87 miles. What? I barely have been driving my car anywhere like that, and because my job is like not far from me, and it's cold outside. Look at the, oh my goodness, nigga, I ain't no Hellcat. Why do I got 9.9 miles to the gallon? Yeah, I need to drive my car more. That's crazy. We've been driving my wife's car more. Especially because lately, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, my battery been dying. Constantly dying. And I ended up just getting it charged because they wouldn't do the warranty. So, right now, like, I did it yesterday, so now it's been working good. Well, bro, that miles per gallon is crazy. But also, even before my car kept dying because of my battery, I haven't really been driving it nowhere. And I did look up, I asked Daddy GPT because of how cold it is. Because right now, where is it? Y'all see. 13 degrees. It's been like 0 and negative and all that. Between that and not driving too far, not really doing anything, it says my MPG can go lower from that. Man, come on, man. That's crazy. It is what it is, bro. I'm hungry, so let's worry about me getting my damn corn dogs. It's 99 cents per corn dog. Lizzie on a stick.
Stop it. Get some help.
I was going kind of slow, ain't it? Y'all was going kind of slow, ain't it? My butt heater seated, the heated seats. I can't even talk, y'all. My heated seats is kind of, it's heating all right. I feel it. I feel it. That sun is, hold on, I ain't gonna put y'all in the sun like that. That's crazy. It's too cold for us to be seeing something nice on the road. But you never know. You go with me to get corny dogs. Dude, I ain't gonna lie, I kind of been wanting a McDonald's chocolate milkshake. That sounds kind of fire, right? I'll eat it. McDonald's. Y'all can't even see it. Okay. I don't know, man. I might go get a McDonald's chocolate milkshake. That sounds kind of fire. Oh, these heated seats is burning my back. Excuse me. Excuse me. I hate going down the street, man. This little ass street. Oh, brother. You see it? Bro, I should have turned. Gotta turn my heated seat off, bro. It's too hot. So one thing about this car, the heated seats are immaculate. Immaculate. Hello, Beamer. I knew it. I knew he was gonna make some noise. My ring keeps like moving. Is my ring bling blinging? I got sidetracked. That mileage is crazy, but it is what it is. Can't control it. You know what I can control? Me getting them corn dogs, and I'm gonna control it. And I'm gonna get myself some corn dogs. Okay, I should have. Not really, maybe. Look at that, man. I'm so glad they brought the snack wraps back. I love snack wraps. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. Better not come out. You better stay where you at. I'm right here. I ain't even show y'all how dirty my car is, bro. My car is ashy, bro. It looking like me right now in this cold. What this man doing in the middle of the road? Y'all see him? What the? There was no reason for him to be in the middle of the road, for sure. Damn. I want to get a car wash, but I'm going to get some food. So I wonder if I should get some food first and then get a car wash. Yeah, because I don't want to open my window after I get my car wash. Dude, why is there so much traffic, bro? This is crazy. It's only 2 o'clock. It's not like it's the lunch rush or anything or people coming home. Bro, something had to have happened, because why is there so much traffic on this end? I guess we're gonna see, right? I'm gonna see if I can try to peek. Damn, that's how I look. That man's ashy. Yeah, bro. I don't know. I want a chocolate milkshake from McDonald's, but I feel like I'm doing too much because I just got out of work. I ain't trying to go to a bunch of different places. I gotta go there. Then I gotta go to Sonic. Then I gotta go to car wash. I ain't trying to do all that. And then you got this traffic that I'm gonna have to get right back into, even though there's another McDonald's over there, but I don't know. Maybe I'll stop at the other McDonald's and not this one. That's coming up. Charger. What in the world? Oh, I see some. I see flashing lights. Hold on. Y'all see for me? Y'all saw that? Something happened, bro. We gonna be nosy when it's our turn. That's for sure. Man, I might just see y'all once we get up there. Okay, y'all, we getting closer. We gonna see what happened. Look at, relax. Oh, you let him through? Bro was doing too much. I'm sorry. Somebody's car broke down. What happened? Yeah, I don't even know what happened there. He getting a ticket or something. I don't know what's going on. Hey, bro, you just be in your lane a little bit better. You gonna pull up and do something too? I want a Ram. I think Rams look good. Who's that? I heard something. Someone says, we out of here. Take me away. Bro, I remember it used to be a Goodies over here, bro. Done left a while ago. Gotta watch out for these manhole covers. They be annoying. Got me swinging and banging over here. Where that though? Scared? Nope. I can't even swing and bang with this nigga anyway. No! I had nowhere to go. There was a car that was to my right. My car is drone loud. I'm hungry. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm saying it. I still like the steering wheel, man. I'm glad I got the steering wheel. Be like in the movies how they be driving like this. Well. Try to get around. I boofed it. He gonna go faster, ain't he? And this Jeep trying to come up too, so I know he gonna take my spot. Come on, bro. Don't you do it. No. I should have stayed in this lane because now you got people merging. Bruh. Now this Jeep ain't gonna let me in. He gone. Alright, Jeep, hurry up and get out the way. Everybody out here ashy. I'm not about to be ashy no more. That's for sure. Y'all already know. Oh, sorry. Little Porsche truck. I had to put the 40s on the Jeep. Anybody be nothing neat? I don't know why I'm so geeked. I think I'm geeked because I know I'm gonna get some food. Come on, man. I said, come on, man. My money only. See, think about going to that McDonald's right there, getting a chocolate shake. Might be. I'm gonna get some mozzarella sticks too. The mozzarella sticks be good. So I was getting Panda one day. I wanted a drink. I like that pomegranate drink. The pomegranate drink from Panda's fire. Put y'all on. And when I tried to order it, he was like, "Oh, we're a newer location. We're not gonna have this drink for a couple of months." I understand that y'all a newer location, but I don't understand why you don't have a drink that all Pandas have. Why don't you guys don't have the lemonades? Like, what sense does that make? I don't understand. We're here, Sonic. Oh my goodness, Sonic. And these size morning drink. What? But I do want my chocolate shake. I'm gonna order, because I haven't ordered it yet, and I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Bags of curd. I ain't gonna lie, I'm already eating. Now I'm gonna get car wash. This road bad right here. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to eat in the car wash, man. Nigga hungry. Oh my goodness, that sun is something crazy. Hold up. Watch out now. I'm coming through. Watch out now. So that's another charge we're getting. Can't even see him. It's another charge. Yeah, she do. So I gotta pay, so I'm gonna see y'all in a second. Got my chocolate shake. She looking a little cleaner. You know what I'm saying? Whew. It's still a little dirty, but that's fine. It still looks better than what it was. Oh, that sun shining bright like Jesus coming back. Good Lord. But yeah, man, that's gonna be the end of this video. Y'all just saw me just getting food, gas, and a car wash. Oh, well, but thank y'all for watching the video. If you watched it all the way through, man, and I appreciate every single last one of y'all. Hope y'all still doing good and blessed, man. All the other YouTube things. Oh, Lord, I gotta hurry up and go through. And all the other YouTube things, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.